Second graders, we're going to go over some of the answers to our famous Americans Nearpod this week about Benjamin Franklin and George Washington Carver. These matching pairs. You had to match the invention with the correct famous American. So here we have a picture of a lightning rod. And remember, the lightning rod protected the building from lightning. And Benjamin Franklin was the inventor for the lightning rod. George Washington Carver was the inventor of different ways to use peanuts. What was one contribution of Benjamin Franklin? There are a lot of things you could have said. I'm going to list a few. One contribution was his invention of the lightning rod to protect buildings, doing different experiments to see how he can keep us safe, inventing the Franklin stove to help heat our houses, or by inventing bifocals to help people see better. These are all examples of contributions of Benjamin Franklin. What was one contribution of George Washington Carver? There are a few things you could have said. I'm going to list a few. One contribution was he helped farmers everywhere. He did this by innovating different crops to use and by innovating how they could grow more crops on their farms. He also invented products and foods that were made from peanuts and sweet potatoes. These things help us with our everyday lives. Something that wouldn't be a contribution, but maybe would be a fact, would be the year he was born, where he went to college, something like that. Those aren't contributions, those are facts. Okay, second graders, thanks for listening. If you have any questions about this, please let your teacher know.